So I'm out this morning for a run around a bit of a coastal block, so it's like an hour and a half drive for me. As you can see, out in a bit of a cattle paddock, but it's extremely wet. So yeah, this bit's cattle paddock over there. There's they're doing some conservation, so they're replanting what used to be a banana farm into rainforest again. And apparently there's been pigs around, but I really can't see any sign. So I'll have a bit of a walk out here. Don't get anything. I'll try to walk the other side of the shed and everything else. Still nothing. I think I'll head to the hillside because it's just, as you can see, the cattle going, like you're never going to be able to drive there. As you can see, it's just so wet that it's too wet for a pig. Right, it sounds ridiculous, but it is a thing, and there's just no dry ground nearby down here, so I reckon if I was a pig I'd be on the hillside up there in the mountains. But anyway, they said there's pigs down here, so I'll have a look. If I don't get anything, head up to the hills, I reckon. Bit of a walk around here first. Cut away, they just ruin everything. Biggest, dumbest numpties to ever grace the planet. I guess we did breed them to be big and dumb and numpty. The only good thing about them is steak. Fuck, I love steak. Watch out. What am I doing? This creek goes back around this way. Fuck, I'll be disappointed. The dogs seem interested here. This is better. Yeah. Oh yeah, being a pig here. So this is, they rip these open, getting the grubs and whatever else out. These trees, dogs are taken off out here. Finally. Besides Minty is just there. Yeah, they're like 60-70 metres. There's a chance Frank might come back out as well. GPS. I cannot get this GPS to go the right way. You can imagine Frank could get through some of that bulkier stuff a bit easier, being a bit leggier. But I think they might be in the rainforest, I'm not 100%. Well, you're going to have to reconfigure this. It's just that far off with where I am. It's ridiculous. So we got the dogs at 540 out here. Let's see if this will work. Oh. 700. I got a pig. Someone's got a pig. I think Pepper might have one halfway there. The sound of that. Go Minnie. Yeah, Pepper's got one halfway along. The other dogs are a long way away. Pepper's got one at 380, but the other dogs are at 5 to 700 from here. Good girl, Pepper. I don't know if you can hear that. Pepper's pulled up a pig. The other dogs, don't know if they're on the mob or what. They went an extra like bloody kilometre. Must have been on another one, and they all seem to be on the way back. Seem to be. We'll see, but yeah, in here. Good dogs. Okay, here's this nice little rainforest floor. Could be 60 or 70. Nice little set of hooks there, especially for the rainforest. And yeah, he's back right up in this swampy little bit here. Pepper found him and pulled him up. Hey Pep, good girl. Yeah, can't complain. It's a good ball. Yeah, bloody took him a while to pull him up, and I'm not sure if there was a couple of them because the rest of the dogs ended up nearly a kilometre up further. Ended up coming back. Pepper had him on her own for a good 5 minutes or something before, I don't know who arrived next, Diget or Remi, and then the rest of the crew slowly arrived. So yeah, can't complain with that. I'll head back out because I think I made enough racket in this area and see if I can get onto more pigs in a different spot. Bit of a slow down on things, but nearly back to where I was at before walking, before the dogs took off. So they took off from just over here into there, all the way down, pulled him up down here. So looks like it's about to start raining. Well, it is starting to rain. I'll head down here a bit. Car's way over there, I don't know if you can see that shed, but way over there. And I'll head around, come back to the shed from there, see if anything else has travelled from these fields into the forest. Who's so big? Who's big? She's run along at the front there. These other dogs have just started to smell whatever's going on. She's gone out the long grass out there. See if they all go into this grass here. Figure it out. There we go. Digit's back. What the fuck? It's the wrong way. 30 or so out there. $50 out here. $60. Kind of turning a little bit this way, dogs at the front. They do come right back across this. I want to be on that side of any pigs so I can shoot back this way, which is safe because there's a bloke on a digger just here. So 100 out here. As you'll see, the dogs took off in here, way back here somewhere. Worked right out around 120. Came back around, back down past here, and yeah, finished long grass, pretty good effort. Plus pig popped out not too far in front of them, but I had Minty with me and she was straight up after it. Tried to get through the fence here, and I don't know if it's ring lock or not. It is ring lock. Yeah, he bounced off, and Minty was up his clacker, grabbed onto his nutsack and held on. So yeah, can't run away like that. Not sure what she had hold of, all the nuts or what, but get a little bit of blood there. Yeah, very good.